Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. I am traveling right now for the holidays, so I thought I would talk about trading and traveling. So, this is the setup that I use when I am traveling. It's a Surface Pro. I have that keyboard attached. You can see it has a trackpad on there. It also comes with a little pencil. I don't usually use that, but it is convenient should you need it. Now, let's talk about the most important thing when traveling, other than coffee. Coffee is the most important thing, but maybe second is internet connection speed. Because if you can't get a good internet connection speed, it's not worth trading, in my opinion. So I actually travel with an Ethernet cord and this little adapter. You can see this is Ethernet to USB-C, and that plugs directly into the Surface Pro when there is hardwire internet available. In this particular hotel, it's not an option. I actually searched through the hotel room just to see. Sometimes, even if they don't advertise it, it is available and you can plug right in. This wasn't an option here. So, when I set all of this up last night, the first thing I did was to do a speed test. The hotel Wi-Fi came back as your internet speed is fine. And I'm like, that's not going to be good enough for me. So I did my second best thing, which is to go to my hotspot on my phone. That connects via Bluetooth to this Surface Pro. And thankfully, that was very fast when I did the speed test on that. Because if I can't get good internet speed, not worth trading, not worth having delayed data, not worth getting stuck in something. I'll just wait till I get home. But this works out pretty well. And you can see right now we have like a pre-Santa Claus rally going on. Those are some nice green candles just heading on up. That's the NASDAQ futures that we're looking at. Anyway, the only difference with this is, of course, at home I have a much bigger screen so I can fit more charts on it. So I do have to go down in the number of charts that I'm using on here, but it works out pretty well. So I'll put links to all of these things that I use down below if you want to check them out for yourself or you want to test your speed, your internet speed. I will link that down below. Quick note, Black Friday sale is on. Nearly everything is on sale for 50% off. You can go to lucra.com and find courses that are on sale. The coaching is on sale. Everything, pretty much everything, I should say, is on sale for 50% off. The coupon code is in the black, all one word, all caps. That works for the coaching and for the courses. Special note though, this coming Sunday, I am teaching live how to get funded. So if you would like to become a funded trader and maybe you need a little assistance on how to do that, I've done it 15 times in the past. I'm going to show you exactly what I do. We're going to do that live on this coming Sunday, so in 2 days. And then we're diving into an intensive during December. Why? Because for myself, I want to set the stage to make 2025 my best trading year yet. How am I going to do that? I'm going to do that by having more funded accounts. Now, of course, I cannot guarantee that you will get funded. I can't even guarantee that I will get funded in December, but I can tell you that I have done it before, and many of my students who've come through How to Get Funded in the past have also become funded. So that will be live on Sunday, and then we dive right in on Monday morning with the live trading rooms. As I mentioned, links are down below for all of that stuff. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.